Nake President William Ruto, President wa Uganda niwe Yoweri Museveni ni maruguritie ũraihia wa reri ya SGR kuma Githumo nginyagia muhaka-ini wa Kenya na Uganda itũra-ini ria Maraba. Wakio wa reri ya SGR ugukorwo uri wa itena ria gatatu kuria President Museveni eranĩire kuerera kuma Maraba nginyagia muciĩ-ini munene wa Kampala. Reri ĩno ĩkuoya kilomita 107 kuma Githumo nginyagia Maraba na ĩgukorwo na ceceni 9 cia mũgithi ituĩkanĩirie kaunti-inĩ 6. President Ruto Museveni maugĩte reri ĩno nĩ kũgacĩrithia wonjoria makĩria gatagatĩ wa mabũrũri ma Afrika irathĩro na kwandandũra utonga wa mabũrũri maya.
Tulielezwa ya kwamba na wengine wachache wakasema ile reli imekuwa reli to nowhere. We are now telling them it was never a railway to nowhere. It was always our plan that this railway was going to be a railway to prosperity. It was going to be a railway to the transformation of the Republic of Kenya. And the naysayers, the people who don't believe in the transformation of Kenya, we want to persuade them that it may take a little while. It may have delayed a bit in Narok, but today we are making sure that this transport corridor, this logistics corridor, is going to transform not just the East African community, but it is going to position Kenya, Mombasa, and the East African region as a region for economic transformation.